Superlative and comparative adjectives in Mongolian. How to create superlative and comparative adjectives in Mongolian. It's super easy. Let's look at the superlative. Here is one adjective, under. It means tall, under. Then how do we say the tallest? Хамгийн under. We just have to add the word хамгийн before the adjective. So under, tall, хамгийн under, the tallest. Let's see it in an example. Эверест бол дэлхийн хамгийн өндөр уул. The Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in the world. It's easy, right? Just say хамгийн before the adjective. Now, in English, we said in the world, but in Mongolian, we add a genitive case ending before the word. So in English, we said in the world, but in Mongolian, basically we are saying of the world. So you can see the ending n at the end of the word world, дэлхий. So дэлхийн. That's the one different thing. Otherwise, it's very simple. One more example. Хөөрхөн, pretty, хамгийн хөөрхөн, the prettiest. Example, тэр манай ангийн хамгийн хөөрхөн охин. She is the prettiest girl in our class. And again, the word class is ang, and we said angin with the genitive case ending. Now let's look at the comparative form. Намхан. Намхан means short. And when we create the comparative form, we don't change the adjective. Намхан, it's the same. In English, we said like shorter than someone, shorter than something. So instead of than, we add the ablative case ending on the word. As, is, os, os. So when we see the example, I think it will become clear. The example, B Batas Namkhang. I am shorter than Bat. So here we said Namkhang is still same, but on the word Bat, the name, we add as. So Batas Namkhang, shorter than Bat. One more example. Hямд, cheap, hямд. Cheaper is the same, hямд. Мөнгө алтнаас хямд. Silver is cheaper than gold. So, than gold, we said алтнаас, as form, we add to the word gold. Алтнаас хямд. It's super easy, right? Now, it's your turn to practice. You can write your sentences in the comment section. Дараа уулзлаа баяртай. See you next time.